This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to log a phone call in Salesforce. Logging calls can be an essential part of your Salesforce usage, ensuring that all interactions with your contacts are well documented and easy to access for future reference. So, let's dive into the process step by step to make sure you're getting the most out of this feature. First, you'll want to navigate to the activity panel. This is typically found on the right side of your screen when you're in a contact, lead, or account view. If you're new to Salesforce, the activity panel is your hub for managing all interactions associated with the person or organization you're currently viewing. It's designed to keep all your communication activities in one convenient place, making it easier to track your interactions over time. Once you have the activity panel open, look for the Log a Call tab. Clicking on this tab is your starting point for entering details about your phone call. The Log a Call feature is a simple yet powerful tool that allows you to record the details of any interaction with your contacts, leads, or accounts. It's particularly useful for sales teams who need to keep track of conversations and follow-ups. After you click on the Log a Call tab, you'll be presented with a form to fill out. Take a moment to gather your thoughts about the call you've just had. Think about what information is crucial to record for future reference. In this form, you'll typically enter the key details of your call, such as the subject of the call, a brief description, or notes about the conversation, and any follow-up actions that might be necessary. Be as detailed as possible to ensure that anyone who reviews this log later will have a clear understanding of what was discussed and any next steps that were identified. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, it's time to save your entry. Before you do, double-check that all the information is accurate and complete. This ensures that your call log will be a reliable record for you and your team. After verifying the details, simply click on the Save button. Your call is now successfully logged in Salesforce. Logging your calls in Salesforce not only keeps your records organized, but also helps your team stay in sync. It provides a historical context for your interactions, which can be invaluable when planning future engagements or when a team member needs to step in and get up to speed on a particular account or contact. Remember, the more consistent you are with logging your calls, the more effective your Salesforce system will be at providing you with actionable insights. This practice helps in building a comprehensive view of your relationships and ensures that nothing slips through the cracks. So, there you have it, a straightforward process that, when used consistently, can significantly enhance your productivity and communication within Salesforce. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and happy logging.